Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Deepseek AI login not working. I'm going to guide you through the process how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Deepseek and navigate to its website. On its website, select this Start Now option. It will prompt you to the login page of the Deepseek AI. And when you try to log in, if the Deepseek AI login is not working, it might be because of the server issues. Due to the wide popularity of Deepseek AI, it is facing several server outage issues time and again. So you have to keep trying until the Deepseek's AI server is fixed. In order to check that if the Deepseek's AI server is facing the problems or not, in the search bar of your browser, type in Deepseek status and go to this first link. In this page, it will show you the current status of Deepseek. If the signal is green, it is working, and if the signal is red, it is having the server outages right now, so you can check up on these. And if you have the Deepseek AI app installed on your phone, what you can do is go to your settings, go to app sections. In this app space, find the Deepseek AI, open up the app space. Now scroll down and head over to the storage section, and at the bottom you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it. You can even clear the data, so it will reset your Deepseek AI app. If it still doesn't work for you, you can go to the Play Store and search for Deepseek app. Open up the app space, and in this page, instead of this open button, sometimes you might see the update option. So you might have to update the app in order to function it properly. So you can update the app, and that's how you can easily fix Deepseek AI login not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.